don't know where they went into. They must have went in here. Huh? Yeah.
To the alley.
Go back. I see you right now. Folks, all right? Everything's there, folks? Say again. Everything okay? Everything okay? Everything okay? Okay. No. No? Okay, let it go.
No what?
It's just no recording.
No recording what? It's my First Amendment right.
Might be personal.
Respect my right to film, bro.
Are you licensed photographer for?
I'm press.
Which one?
I'm press.
Press who?
I'm press, bro.
Hey, no, you're not, Holmes. Where's your ID?
Local community activist. Local community activist. Berates.
It's cool. I'm here to film the cops.
We're not trying to.
I'm a cop.
I know that's why I'm filming you.
Well,
what's your name and badge number?
Okay, my name is Terry Lee Smith.
Sir,
there's my badge.
We're not invading your privacy, sir. We're here in the public. No, but you know, just, you know what I mean?
Like a kitty cat.
We're not going to invade your privacy. We're not going to ask your names or mention anything. It's just
7 cop cars.
7 cop cars, 2 units, 1 apparatus, 1 ambulance, 1 responder.
And one piece of shit who doesn't respect people's right to film because he's a retired pig. Showing me an old ass badge from fucking 1937 or whenever the fuck that shit was. Nah, the old ass dude come over here and tell me not to film and shit.
Saying he was a cop and shit.
He's a retired pig for sure. Yeah, exactly. He doesn't know about IRATE Productions and United Against Police Terror San Diego. You don't know about the Brown Berets either. Hella. No, they brought someone out in a spit mask too. He had the spit mask on, yeah.
They came with the unmarked truck.
Yeah, and the spotlight.
Spotlight.
Yeah.
It's not even fucking dark. What the fuck?
Why gotta come up from unarmed?
It's overkill.
It's one of the good old boys, man. One of the good old boys.
It's overkill. When they call the cops to me, the whole block is like.
And that's why it's important you always film the police right there, because they always try to make it seem like it ain't your right to film.
Yeah, it's just because the neighbor's like, oh, he's doing dope again, and he's got guns on him. What the fuck? So you're gonna call the cops every fucking week on me? You know what I'm saying? And then I'm wearing shorts, so they're putting over the radio. Well, he's armed and dangerous. He's got a gun. I'm like, motherfucker, I'm wearing shorts, and I'm not just wearing any fucking shorts. I'm wearing fucking basketball shorts. You know what I'm saying? You can't fucking
Just wasting our fucking tax money and shit.
I was there, but you didn't have a pocket. It'd be too hard. Stop recording. It'd be too hard walking around with basketball. Huh? People don't do it.
I'm gonna put it on pause just in case.
Like I'm trying to fight. Or you reach your big gun. You told me to stop, you asshole.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but when you're turning, your hand, motherfucker, my hand's on the fucking steering wheel. You told me to stop.